the thing just is an easy thing to do. Put a little light, red light on the back side of it, just one single white one, so that way when you're in distance at night, you can tell which way you're facing.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing the full light.
Back over here, buddy. You can stay over here. I just want to go set the trucks in. I got it. I'm sorry. Reverses on the gate, just in the right. Yeah, that's what this one is. It's just a $99 foamy. I think it's still a little. You gotta have some speed to get it up in the air. But I'm just looking for like I remember and I gotta get all the little slow parts.
Well, yeah, but there's a guy in Jackson that I've known for a long time. He makes his own stuff. Okay.
Okay.
They were good. I had all I could do to finish all three of them.
Indoor.
Let's go check out this course. Oh, look at this shit. Woo! Oh, Rubbin's racing. Can't really see much but dust. Here we go. Ready? Let's get this. It's so awesome. All right, let's catch some of this. Woo! That was sick. Oh fuck. Yeah. All right, now let's go check out the course. King of the Rocks. Shit, that looks pretty rough. Dang. Damn. Okay. I gotta bring my truck up here and run. That is nice. Man, this keeps going. Sick ass bridge up there. Oh, this looks. Does this move? Okay. In case you need to take a shit. Sumo table. Wow, alright, hold on. We gotta go the other side here. There we go. Whoosh. I got here late, so don't know how much footage I'm gonna get. Damn. That is wicked. Oh, we got a teeter-totter. Yeah, drive that ring across here. Ooh. Got some fifth scale action. Holy. Damn. This makes Critter Hollow look like a little, yeah, I don't even know what to call it. X-Max. Another teeter-totter. My shadow. Holy. Hang on. Get my shadow out of here. A tunnel. Fixing there. Another tunnel. Go this way. Huh. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's go check out this King of the Rocks here. It's on this side. Oh, we missed the fire ring. Maybe they'll light that tonight. Dang.
Want to see me hill climb?
Yeah,
Is that why you got your phone out?
sure. I like recording stuff.
If you hear funny noise, that's
That's a nice truck, though. It's a nice truck.
You ready?
Yeah, go for it. Still good. It's on its wheels.
Well, I can do a little hill climb with this thing. I bet you I can just full throttle it right up it.
Okay. Oh, nice. Nice job. Love watching the youngsters make me look bad. Gotta build me one of those bugs. Those are sick. A little bash park here. Dang. Yeah, unfortunately it got here today. I missed last night, the purgatory and all that good stuff. So we'll see what happens tonight. There's supposed to be a night run tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna maybe grab a truck and then try some of this shit out. I don't know if I got any of this stuff. It is hot out. Apparently my phone is overheating, so hopefully this comes out. And there's the crapper down there. There's another shot of the bridge. I gotta come get that at night. Apparently it lights up. Oh, we missed the ring thing. That just sounds wrong.
having all that wheel speed to get up there?
Because I was playing around.
No, this is a being a child.
Yeah.
Put it in 4 low, get some camel grease out there.
Jinxed it. It was doing good until Dennis started talking. It's me again.
The hell's that come out?
As soon as you get there, it's gonna push.
Guess I should go over and actually see what I'm doing.
As soon as your front tires come out, hard left.
Huge compared to her
Gladiator and his fat ass.
Dope. Whoops. Gate. Oi. I think I got a stick in there, motherfucker. Jeez. the John.
Ooh, so it's up here. I fixed it.
Ooh, and you're a big bitch. Oh shit. Oh shit.